my board somewhere. So please tell me. Okay, then only I'll come to know. Good morning, everyone. Good
Good
morning, all of
morning,
you.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Mohammed.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Mohammed Patel, have you received the timetable? He left the class. No problem. When he join, I'll talk to him.
Ma'am, like this?
Yes, yes, yes. Number is written, no, inside it.
Yes.
Very good. Mohammed Patel, have you received the timetable?
Ma'am, this
Yes,
like
ma'am.
ma'am like
Okay.
this.
Yes, yes, Yuksurana. Good. Many of you are ready with the activity, right? So, can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you, once again. So, we start our class. So, as I told you that you have to stick 0 to 9 numbers and make the cards and stick them on one paper. So, we are going to do one activity with this. First, you observe. First, you look at me, what I am doing. Then, you try with your things, right? So what we are going to learn with this, we are going to learn forming the numbers. Forming numbers. That how we can form the different numbers with a given number of digits. So if I tell you to select any 5 digits, randomly select. Randomly means कुछ कोई भी digit आपको 0 से 9 तक में इस chits में से निकालनी है. So when I select one digit, if I which it can be like a game, right? So I'll think which digit I take. I will take this one. This is which digit here showing?
One.
1. So
One.
my first digit is 1. I got a chance to select the 5 digits. Okay. Now my second digit is this one. Which digit is this?
9. 9.
No, no, it is
Hmm.
6
Six.
because ulta I put no. Yes. Now 3. How many more digits can you?
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes, Laisha.
Can you explain me because actually something happened and I can't understand.
Laisha, we are doing the activity as I told you to bring the square papers, write the numbers. Wait a minute, I take the attendance. It's 4A.
I'm like this one, and we can
I
like this.
which one? Yes, yes, yes. So now we have all started the activity by this these stickers that we have. You all know that in this we have numbers from 0 to 9. Okay. Now I got a chance to select any 5 digits. So my first digit is 1, which I selected. Second is 6, because I don't know which digit is inside this chit. I'm just randomly clicking, and then the number next third digit is 8. Two more. How many more digits I need to take out? Two more digits. Can
Two.
I
Two.
take this? Which number is this?
5.
5.
Five.
And how many more digits I need to take out?
One.
1.
One
1.
more digit. So I will try with this. Which number is this?
4. 4. 4.
4.
Four.
Okay, 4. So I got these 5 different digits. Now, wait. Now clear? My board is visible to you all?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you. See, children, I totally trust on you because you and me are sitting here in the class. If you are not able to see my board in any case because of some network issue, anything, just let me know that time only. That ma'am, strictly tell me that ma'am, your board is not visible. Then I will adjust something, right? So now we got the 5 different digits. Now from these 5 digits, yes, Mohammed Patel, any problem? Any query? Okay. So now from these 5 digits, I have to make one greatest number. One greatest number. Number ka short form we can write NO dot. And one, sorry, and one smallest number. So when I make the greatest number out of the given digits, I will arrange them in which order? Yes, one child. Arnav Desai. Arnav Desai, Kavisha Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Descending order.
Write the answer in the chat box, please. Yuk Surana, please write the answer in the chat box. If I want to make the greatest number out of the given digits, I will arrange it in which order? Mir Virani, mute yourself.
Google Meet reconnect.
Mir Virani. Yes, we will arrange them in the descending order. Descending order means, Janya will tell me what is descending order, Janya?
Ma'am, descending order means big to small.
Big to small means we are making big numbers, so big number will come first. Means descending order. So, Mir Virani, mute yourself, please. Someone's my Janya, mute yourself. Now, yes.
We are doing that activity now.
Yes, we have started. Which child is this? Deep Patel, join on time next time, please. But let me take the attendance once again. Okay, done. Now, Navya will tell me, Navya. So, if we are making greatest number, everyone told arranging the numbers in descending order. And you all know descending order means big to small. So, Navya, which number will come first?
8.
Very good. Excellent. Next child is Dhir Patel. Which number will come next?
6. No, 6.
Yes. Next child is Mir Virani. Which number will come after 6 out of the given digits which are here?
What, ma'am?
Out of the given digits which are here.
Ma'am,
which
your
number
voice
will
is
come?
cracking.
Mir Virani, I am asking which number will come? Which number will come after this 6 out of the given digits which are here?
Ma'am, 6 after 8.
After 8 is 6. After 6, what will come? Me, you were
Ma'am,
not paying attention because I was
Ma'am,
listening. Yes. Pay attention here only. Next, Laisha will tell. Laisha, which is the next digit after 5?
4.
4. So, how many digits we already covered till now?
4.
4 digits. Deep Patel, which is the next digit now?
1.
1. Very good. Now, we need to make one smallest number out of same given digit. So, just iska reverse, ulta, ascending order, small to big. Prayag, which number will come first to make the smallest number? Before going to the smallest number, now I tell you don't put comma after every digit. No. Why no? Because now you have already made one number, one 5-digit number. So you will put comma according to Indian system. Varija, Varina, please here, listen here in the class. Here, pay attention here. Don't get busy here and there. Mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Prayag, mute yourself. So now, if you have made one 5-digit number, greatest number, so don't put comma after every digit because these were the single digits. Now it's a big number. So put comma according to Indian system. After counting 3 digits from the back and then after every 2 digits. Got it? Yes.
Yes,
Now, Priyag, you were telling me. Yes, Bhakti.
We have to skip 3 digits and put a comma.
Yes. Prayag, which is the first now will come for making the smallest number?
1.
1. Now next will be Meet Prohit. Meet will tell me which is the next digit will come now to make the smallest number. 4. Bhakti, which is the next now?
Ma'am, 5.
5. Kiana, which will be the next now?
6.
6. Now Mohammed Patel, which is the next now? After 6, 1 is all. This is the number. 1 is done. 4 is done. 5 is done. 6 is done. Which is remaining now?
9.
9 तो है ही नहीं इधर मेरी गिवन डिजिट्स में. आपको मेरा बोर्ड दिख रहा है?
Yes.
So you can you read all the number of digits? Which number digit is this? Mohammed.
1.
Then
6.
then
8.
then
5.
then.
4.
So 1 हो गया, 4 हो गया, 5 हो गया, 6 हो गया. अब क्या बचा?
8.
तो क्या आएगा यहाँ पे?
8.
Got it now? Children, pay attention. Each and every child has to pay attention here. I can ask from anyone.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Arnab.
Ma'am, you can ask me as this only.
Now Arnab will tell me, Arnab, how I will put comma.
Comma 1 in upper one in down 1, 4, 5, 6, 8.
So where I will put comma?
1 way 4 in 1 and 4 between 1 comma.
No, only one comma. You don't go from front, come from your right side.
Yes.
1, 2, 3 digits, put comma. Bas.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. I was confused in one. I count the 5 only in the 3.
Mute yourself now. Mohammed, mute yourself. Arnab, mute yourself. Thank you. So now this is the one situation of forming the numbers. If now the other situation comes, for example, if the numbers like this comes to you, 3, 2, 2, 6, 8, 6. Now here what I have done, suppose you have selected 5 digits or 6 digits and the any number which is repeated. For example, आपने 2 बार ले लिया उस number को. Now how you will make the greatest number? Who will tell me? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, Bhakti Tumar.
Here will tell me. Here. Raise your virtual hand. Yes, here. Here. Now how you will
write
make?
this?
No. You will do the activity with your numbers. First I will complete and then. He tell me.
First 8.
First 8, then
6.
then
3.
3, then
2.
2, then
also 2.
yes, got it. So the number which is repeating will come together side by एक के पीछे दूसरा number आएगा. Now put the comma according to the Indian system. Priyag will tell me, Priyag, how you will make the smallest number with this now. Please pay attention everyone on the smallest number. Smallest number is little tricky. You need to understand. Yes. Priyag told 2. My board is visible till last.
Yes.
2, then
Again 2.
again 2. When you are making the smallest number, the 2, then don't go for the 3. Then both these are smallest, so together it will come 2, 2. Now which number will come?
3.
3. Now which number will come?
6.
6. And then
8.
and then put the comma according to the Indian system. Got it? Till now it's clear? Okay. Now one more situation. If the 0 comes in your number, what you will do? For example, if you have selected some numbers for 5, 4, 0, 2, these are the numbers. 0 is also there. How we will make the greatest number and how we will make the smallest number. Kush will tell me. Kush, how you will make the greatest number with these numbers?
What, ma'am?
How you will make the greatest number by the given digits?
Okay. First 5,
5,
4,
4,
2,
2.
and 0.
Very good. Greatest पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. 0 will be the last because 0 is the smallest number. So great. 5, 4, 2, 0 and put the comma according to the Indian system. Mute your mic.
Ma'am, now
Tanya. Yug Surana. Yug Surana will tell me अब smallest पे फर्क पड़ेगा. Yug Surana को बहुत attentively करना है. Yes, Yug Surana.
Ma'am, in this only 5, 4, 2 will come.
If it then it will be 3-digit number. 5, 4, 2 will be 3-digit number only. तो 3 हमें तो बनाना तो 4 in 4 digits सारी को यूज करना है.
Oh, then 00. First 00.
No, we cannot put extra 0.
Ma'am, I can say.
Yes, Anshul.
First will 0.
First 0, okay.
2,
2,
4,
4,
and 5.
5. Who will tell me whether this is right or this is wrong? Raise your virtual hand. Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Bhakti. Can you justify whether this is right or this is wrong?
Ma'am, this is right.
Any other child can speak on this? Yeah.
Ma'am, it is wrong.
Can Priyak tell me why this is wrong?
No need to put 0.
We cannot put the 0 first. If you put the 0 first, then it will be only 3-digit number. क्योंकि 0 की तो कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती. अगर हम 0 को पहले लगा देंगे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर में तो ये 3-digit ही नंबर रह जाएगा.
I can say.
Yes, Meer Virani.
Ma'am, first we will put 2.
First we will put 2.
Then 0.
Then 0. जब भी
Then
स्मॉलेस्ट
4.
नंबर बनाना है, वेट, जब भी स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाना है तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर 0 की पोजीशन सेकंड पोजीशन होती है. क्लियर? 0 कभी भी पहले नहीं आएगा. व्हाई? बिकॉज अगर 0 पहले आ जाएगा, अगर मैंने ये लिख दिया 2, 4, 5 तो ये 3-digit नंबर रहेगा.
3 number only.
Yes, but we need to utilize all the 4 digits and we need to make a 4-digit number. So we will write the next
2045.
next smallest number first and then 0 and then 4 and then 5.
And then 5.
So always remember the position of 0 in the smallest number is second position, not the first one. Am I clear to you all? This concept is clear to you all?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you. Now you also select. Now my instructions is to select any 4 digits. You all have your stickers. Select any 4 digits. These are my instructions which I am writing for you. Select any 4 digit and write greatest and smallest number.
Ma'am, we do not have to write this select any.
No. You just write at the heading activity forming numbers. Activity.
The notebook, no, ma'am.
Yes, right. Yes, write today's date, write C.W, write activity at the heading, write forming numbers. Forming greatest, yes.
My mother said,
Ma'am, I cannot say upside.
Wait a minute.
ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
we
Kush.
have to write answer with black pen or
No, blue pen only. Blue pen only.
we all the question
Oh,
and answer
everything.
with everything with blue pen.
Everything blue. When you change the pen in the mathematics, you will get confused. Activity forming greatest and smallest number. And do it within 5 minutes fast. I will not give you more than 5 minutes. And your instruction are select any 4 digit and make a smallest and the greatest number out of the 4 digits. If you're done, you show me your paper also, which you have made ready with the numbers, and show me your notebook also one by one. I will see only few students, and then rest of the student will send me in the classroom. Once you are done, Yuk Surana, Khush Desai, and Navya, please lower down your hands, virtual hands.
Ma'am, how we have to make that paper?
You have to stick the. You don't. You have not made these numbers from 0 to 9.
No, I have made that square and I have written 0.
So you do one thing. Those who have not stick on one paper, they will do. They turn upside down, means उल्टे रखकर आपको एक टेबल पे सारे नंबर्स रैंडमली उल्टे रख देने हैं और एक एक चिट उठाते जाने अपनी मर्जी से कोई भी और उसका नंबर नोट डाउन करते जाना है नोटबुक में. Do fast.
Ma'am, only 4 numbers.
Yes, select only 4 digits. And rest be with the big digits number, with the big group of numbers you can do later on. You can try at home also, okay? You can play this game with your family members also. Mama, I'll make these digits. I will show you how to make the greatest number and the smallest number. So they will also enjoy. Maximum 5 minutes I will give you.
Ma'am, that numbers we have to write in notebook.
Yes. Write this heading, write C.W, write classwork, write today's date, and write this activity forming greatest and smallest number.
Ma'am, we have made this activity chart.
Yes?
Ma'am, we have made the activity chart. That
Yes.
ma'am, we have to write number till 1 to 9.
0 to 9.
Oh,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want
Arnav, first you, then Arnav. Yes. You.
Ma'am, that you have said phone number is done.
Done?
Yes.
Okay,
I can show you.
Wait a minute. I'll talk to Arnav. Arnav, yes?
Ma'am, I am saying you, I have just make, I don't have this paper and you said in notebook we want to write in notebook what in page only.
Yes, on the page, which is your next page, write the activity. And if you don't have chits or if you don't have chits with the numbers, you have, no?
I have, yes, I have.
So start doing. आप उसको अपनी टेबल पे उल्टा करके रख दो.
Yes.
सीरियल ऑर्डर में नहीं, 0 1 2 3 ऐसे नहीं. कोई भी नंबर फर्स्ट, कोई भी नंबर लास्ट. और फिर रैंडमली सेलेक्ट करो. Yes, Yuk Surana, show it to us. Please put your camera on your notebook so that we can see. Yes, he has selected 9 1 2 and the next digit is
9126.
Then he made the greatest number is 9621 and the smallest number is 1269. Very good. Excellent. Can you show us the way you have done with you have number tips? Very good. Very good. Thank you. Yes. Yes, Deer, show me. You mute yourself now because a lot of voices coming. Deer has selected which digits are there? 9250, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, children, today's your worksheet will be based on this only, forming numbers, and the topic which we'll take next will be based on that only.
Ma'am, my
Neil
number.
Villani, it's okay if you don't have chat. You think some any 4-digit number, think from your mind and then write them. Any 4 digits which you like.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, like
Yes.
this. You have to
Who
find.
is? Yes, Laisha, show me.
My number is 27039. Ma'am, can you
Yes.
see?
97422479. Very good. Okay. So, my dear children, now as I told you that 5 minutes I'll give you to do this activity. Now I go to the next topic. Our next topic is successor and predecessor. You all know what is successor? Write the other name of successor in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Write the other name of successor. SUCCESSOR. Write the other name of successor which you are learning from your grade 1. Yes, the other name of successor is after number. So if there is a number 1,23,499, I will tell the child name. Will tell me. Wait. Hit. 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 The child name is Hit. Hit, can you please speak?
Yes.
Hit, can you please tell me which is the after number of this number?
Excuse me, ma'am.
In between, no excuse me if I am talking with someone. Others, if you know the answer, write in the chat box. Yes, Hit. 1,23,499. What you will do in this number to find its successor?
1,23,400. No, 500.
500. So what you have done in this so that you got the 1,23,500?
Because
What you have done in this? Plus 1. Whenever we do find the successor, we add one number to the given number. Got it? Yes, somebody was telling me, excuse me. Jania, you were telling me, right?
no, ma'am.
Somebody was,
Yes,
yes?
ma'am. How
Bolo.
many numbers you have to make, like 5-digit numbers or 4?
You select any 4-digit numbers, then you make one greatest number and the smallest number.
Okay.
And you can do this activity with the different numbers later on also. Now, after number is clear to you all. Is clear to you all? Any confusion in after number? Yes or no? If it is clear, show me thumbs up. Okay, now come the one more term, one more new word which you learn. It's predecessor. We have already discussed these words in our recap class.
Ma'am, before.
Predecessor is before. So Priyag will tell me, Priyag, when we find the before numbers, what we do?
We subtract 1. We
We
minus.
minus 1 from the given number. Now, Kiana, I'm writing one number here. Pay attention and you will tell me the before number of that number. 3,24,600.
Before number.
Yes, predecessor, before, minus 1. Write the answer in the chat box if you know the answer, other students. My dear children, I request you all, please join the class on time. Ahana, you the new student, right? I think, and you have joined right now.
Yes, ma'am.
My dear, the class timing is 9:30. You already missed many things. Next time, I request you to join your class on time.
Sorry, ma'am.
So 3,24,600, Kiana, I am waiting for your answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Give me fast.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Kian's tag.
Other child can tell me. Varija, can you please tell me? Varija.
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, I think
Arnav, wait. Varija, tell me. The
What,
predecessor of this number. Predecessor of this number. Be little quick.
ma'am, I can say 3 lakhs. Sorry, 4 lakhs.
4 लाख कैसे हो जाएगा? 3 लाख तो 3 लाख हो ना. +1 हम इधर वंस की प्लेस पे प्लस करेंगे. यहाँ थोड़ी +1 करेंगे.
Ma'am, I can say
और सॉरी -1 जो करेंगे हम यहाँ से करेंगे 1 से. So it will be 3 lakh
24,000.
24,000.
Ma'am, I can say
Arnav, wait for your turn.
6.
No.
We have to minus that.
-1 करेंगे तो it will be 599 हो जाएगा. Varija, Varinya, I request you to start practicing and be quick in your answers. So when you subtract 1 from this number, you will get 3,24,599, which is the predecessor of 3,24,600. Got it till here? So I will send the worksheet based on the predecessor, successor, and forming numbers. And one more topic is remaining, which is Roman numbers. You all know about Roman numbers? In ancient Greek, the people used the Roman numbers when they were writing. So Roman numbers, you have learned in the grade 3. Where you see the Roman numbers, can you please tell me? It is called Roman numerals or Roman numbers. Yes, who is this side? Can you give me an example where you see Roman numbers?
Ma'am, in Italy.
In Italy, but in some objects also you see Roman numbers.
Ma'am,
In the London's clock.
Clock also, yes. Yes.
Ma'am, our schools that where we go to the classroom that are also Roman numbers.
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, my home is also Roman numbers.
Okay, one by one. Arnav, you please don't unmute your mic in between. You take permission and then unmute. Okay. Now see, as you already told, you all are aware that where the Roman numbers are being used. Yes, Arnav.
In clock also.
Yes, yes.
I have my home also Roman number clock are there.
Very good. So now mute your mic. Now there are some basic Roman numbers. For 1, it is like this I, and then it will repeat it till 2, 3, 4. So first you should know these basic Roman numbers. Wait a minute, I will write here on the board. For 5, it is V. And for 10, it is X. For 50, it is U. If you want to write in your notebook, you can write. For 50, it is L. For 100, it is C.
400.
So for 1, it is 1, like I, 5, V, 10, X. You can cover them from the top also, no problem. If you don't cover also, it is okay. If you cover them, it's okay. And 50L and 100C. In your syllabus, grade 4, it is till 100. But you should know 500 also. The 500 Roman number is D and the 1000 Roman number is M. Got it? 1I, 5V, 10X, 50L, 100C, 500.
Ma'am, I cannot see that 500.
500D. It's D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are these 7 basic symbols, okay, in Roman numbers. But always remember, for 0, there is no any Roman number, because in your numbers, whole number starts from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, right? And natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 like this. So in Roman numbers, there is no Roman number for 0. So whenever we write 10, we write X. Got it? So there is no Roman number for 10. Now I will tell you to write 1 to 10 Roman numbers in your notebook, and you have to write 1 to 10 Roman numbers with the matchsticks. You have to prepare one activity also, which I will show you. One child has prepared in another grade, grade 4B. And I will show you how you also have to make. So first write 1 to 10 Roman numbers, and continue more Roman numbers we will learn tomorrow in our next class. For 1, write I. For 2, write 2 times I. For 3, write 3 times I.
Ma'am, we have to do it with matchstick.
Right now you write with the pencil and pen, and after that, when you are writing in the notebook, write with the pen, and after that you will do one activity with the matchsticks, writing the Roman numbers from 1 to 10 with the matchsticks. So for 4, should I write 4 standing lines?
Ma'am,
Yes.
you write this in the textbook
This you write in the notebook.
with pen.
Pen, faster. Is
Ma'am,
this
right now?
Yes. 4, we will not write 4 standings line. Roman number rule is we cannot repeat any Roman number more than 3 times. So for 4, it will come V and 1 before. When we are writing 1 before the any number, means we are subtracting. If we are writing any number before this number, so we are subtracting. So it is 4. Now 5, you know, V. 6, V1. 8, 7. Sorry. This is 6. 7, 2 times 1. And for 8, V1, 1, 1. For 9, IX, because 10 minus 1 makes the IX, and the 10 is X. When we are adding, means 11 banega, so right side mein number increase hoga. When we are making the smaller number than this, so subtract hota hai, so left side mein number aaya. Got it till 10? I will show you the activity done by the child. I'll present you the screen, and I'm expecting from you also to do in the same way.
Excuse me, ma'am. 1 minute, I'm writing.
Yes, please write. You click on my board screen. Right now I'm presenting, no? So you click on my board screen. Can you all see? Can you all see this activity on my screen?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
way I'm expecting from you all to write the Roman numbers with the matchsticks. Got it? Got it, children? Okay. Thank you, children, for today's class.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.